Hi guys, welcome back to my universe. My name is Daniela, I'm a fiber artist, and in today's tutorial I will be teaching you how to crochet this mini heart. It is a no-sew pattern and it takes less than 10 minutes, so it's a perfect gift idea if you don't have too much time. I hope you liked the tutorial and let's go to the video. We will start with a magic ring, grabbing the yarn with our fingers, going over, under and cross, like this. Then we will take our hook, go under this yarn, grab the one on the top and pull it around our hook. Then we will grab the yarn on the top again and pull it through the loop in our hook. Now we are going to do 4 single crochet into the magic ring. For this, we will insert our hook into the magic ring, then we will yarn under, pull through the magic ring, yarn over and pull through both loops in our hook. Let's do it one more time. Insert your hook into the magic ring, yarn under, pull through the magic ring, yarn over and pull through both loops in our hook. One more time. Insert your hook into the magic ring, yarn under, pull through the magic ring, yarn over and pull through both loops in our hook, and we will do it one last time. Insert your hook into the magic ring, yarn under, pull through the magic ring, yarn over and pull through both loops in your hook. We will now close the magic ring. For this we will take our starting yarn and we will pull it. We will start round 2 in the first stitch of the previous round. Let's start with the first single crochet. Insert your hook into the stitch, then yarn under, pull through the stitch, yarn over and pull through both loops in your hook. And now we are going to put a stitch marker in this first stitch so that we know when we have to finish our round. Now we are going to do an increase, so insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn under, pull through the stitch, yarn over and pull through both loops in our hook. And now we will insert our hook into the same stitch and do another single crochet. So this means that we are going to do 2 single crochet into the same stitch. Now we will do 1 single crochet. And to finish with this round, we will do 1 increase. Remember, an increase is 2 single crochet into the same stitch. At the end, you should have 6 stitches. In round 3, we will do a slip stitch in the first of our stitches. So let's take out our stitch marker and we will insert our hook into the stitch. Then we will yarn under, pull through the stitch, and in this case we will pull through the loop in our hook too. Don't forget to add your stitch marker again. This is going to be useful later. Now we can cut the yarn and we are going to fasten off. But first I'm going to burn a little bit the end. And now to fasten off, we will take our hook and pull all of the yarn. If you want, you can take the excess yarn and hide it inside of half 1 to stuff it a little bit, but don't worry because later we will stuff our whole heart. Now for half 2, we are going to do the same for rounds 1 and 2. In round 1, we will start by doing 4 single crochet into the magic ring. For round 2, we will do 1 single crochet and 1 increase 2 times. Don't forget to add your stitch marker at the beginning of the round, and if you did it right at the end, you should have 6 stitches. In round 3, we are going to join both of our halves. For this, we are going to take out the stitch marker of our working half, and we are going to insert our hook. Then we are going to insert our hook into the slip stitch of our other half, this one. And now we are going to make a single crochet as we usually do. So we are going to yarn under, pull through both of the halves, yarn over and pull through both loops in our hook. As you can see, both halves are now joined. And this stitch is going to be our first stitch. We can now take this stitch marker and we are going to ignore this stitch and work in this one. We are going to work 4 single crochet and an increase in this half. Then we are going to do 5 single crochet into the other half. So let's do the 4 single crochet like this. Now let's do the increase in this last stitch. And now we will jump to the other half and do 5 single crochet. In case that you missed 1 single crochet, just add an increase. But at the end of the round, you should end up with 12 stitches. And we can now hide again our excess yarn from our halves and count them as a little bit of stuffing. In round 4, we will make 6 decreases. To make a decrease, we will work in the front loop only of our stitch. If you look at your stitch, it has 2 loops. The front loop is the one closer to us. For the decrease, we will insert our hook into the front loop of the next 2 stitches, yarn under and pull through both of the loops, yarn over and pull through both of the loops in our hook. We will now add our stitch marker and let's repeat it. So insert your hook into the front loop of the next 2 stitches, yarn under, pull through both, yarn over and pull through both loops in your hook. Continue doing decreases until you reach the end of the round. If you did it correctly, you should now have 6 stitches. Before we continue, we will add as much stuffing as we can. For our last round, we will do 3 decreases. You should end up with 3 stitches, and don't worry, it can be a little bit hard, but take your time. To finish, we will cut our yarn, leaving a longer tail. We will burn again the end part. And now we are going to fasten off. So pull your hook until you take out all of the yarn. Now we are going to close our heart. For this, we will use a sewing needle. So let's insert our yarn into the sewing needle, and we are going to work on the front loop only of each of the stitches. So we will take out our stitch marker and insert your needle through the front loop only, pull the yarn, then go to the front loop only of the next stitch, and now to the last stitch. And to finish, we will pull our yarn and it will close our project. Now we just have to hide the rest of the yarn, so insert your needle through the heart like this, and you will maybe have a small hole in the middle of your heart. So we will insert our sewing needle through the middle of the heart like this, and we will hide this little hole. Like this. To finish, hide the excess yarn or cut it. When you are done, you can use your heart for multiple things. You can, for example, add a face to your heart. In this case, I made a sleepy heart. But you can also make other things, for example, this cute keychain for your keys. Or you can also use it as an accessory for your plushies, like these ones. If you are interested in these plushies, you can find the written pattern in my Etsy shop. And that's it. I hope you liked the tutorial. Remember that you can find the written pattern in my Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!